Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bilki Sofia from PBI 5. I would like to present my mini research under the title is Teaching Reading by Using Comic Strip in the Elementary Student aged 10 until 12 years old of Baron Dukun Gersik Village. Okay, let's go to the background of the study. Background of the study in this mini research are 1. English language is most effective to get communication with people in other country. So, if you want to speak with people in other country, we don't need to learn all of the language used by the people. Second, based on the examination in Indonesia, usually the test using is reading text, and the other skills such as listening, writing, speaking is not used in examination in Indonesia. The third, there are many reasons why students are low in reading comprehension. Firstly, the student feel bored in reading learning process. Secondly, the strategy or media used by the teacher is uninteresting and make the student cannot understanding with the reading lesson. The problem of the study in this mini research is how is the technique of reading by using comic strip. The objective of the study is to describe the teaching of reading by using comic strip. The method in this mini research is this research was located at Baron Dukun Gersik Village. The researcher chosen this location because some reason. There was 1. This village is the researcher's life. 2. The subject in this research was the student of elementary school in my village that consists of 5 students. Their age is ranging 10 until 12 years old. The instrument that will be used is observation sheet. The observation sheet is made based on the lesson plan. Finding. In this step, the main activity that the teacher done are 1. Showing the comic strip. 2. Reading the comic strip and invite all of the students to follow with good intonation and pronunciation. 3. Asking the student to write the difficult word. 4. Translating the difficult word. 5. Discussing the entire of comic content. 6. Asking orally about the content of the comic that have been discussed. 7. Discussing the student answer together. From the result of observation, the researcher found that 1. Most of the students feel excited and feel enthusiastic when imitate the teacher. 2. The student pronunciation is not good and hard to read the word. Because English is not their mother tongues and not their daily speaking, so the pronunciation used by the student is not good and hard to read the word. 3. The student is lacking in vocabulary. When the teacher asks to the student, is there any difficult word? The student just say, like this. All of the word in the comic content is very difficult for them. So that's why I say that a student is lacking in vocabulary. 4. Teaching reading by looking at the picture in the comic make the student can understand with the content. 5. The student also can answer the oral question well. Discussion. The research was conducted to find out the improvement of student reading comprehension by using comic strip. Based on the data, it was taken from the result of observation. It was found that 1. The class activity can run effectively and the student more active when reading learning process. 2. The student also focus in the lesson and pay attention when the teacher explain about the lesson. 3. The student can answer the oral question well in the end of the lesson. Conclusion. The result of the observation showed that their reading comprehension by using comic strip was improved but still low. The students feel difficult to understanding the meaning of the text because in elementary school the English lesson is very basic. This is why teaching reading by using comic strip is not suitable for elementary school, although the observation data show that the students feel more better in reading text by using this technique. Based on the result of observation, it could be concluded that the teaching reading by using comic strip could be a good strategy for the student to learn reading comprehension, although their ability was still low. Okay, that's all for me. I'm so sorry if I have many mistakes. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.